Hello guys, welcome to this presentation. Today I want to talk about an interesting topic, that's flood protection in Cologne city. There are three types of floods can be occurred in this city. The first one is riverine flooding. This is the most common floods can be occurred in the Cologne. These floods happens when water level in the river Rhine rises significantly. Number two is urban floods, urban flooding. This kind of floods happens when excessive rainfall overwhelms drainage capacity of urban areas. The last one is groundwater flooding. It happens when water table rises surface level. This floods is mainly because of prolonged and heavy rainfall. Okay, so what should we do? Or in other words, what is flood protection? Flood protection refers some measures should be taken to mitigate or prevent damage caused by flooding. And we can divide these topics into two categories: structural and non-structural approaches. Structural approach such as installation of flood walls and building levees. Levees are some man-made structure designed to contain, control, and divert water in areas or close to water bodies. Regarding non-structural approach, we can say early warning system and floodplain mapping. In floodplain mapping, experts try to create maps showing areas are at high risk in a given area. This kind of maps is really helpful and useful because local government can make a best decision and remedy to solve this solution. With respect to early warning system, definitely in the corner of Cologne, you see some sensors, such as water level sensors. These sensors is supposed to send some information to a central station, and this information is processed in central station, and in dangerous cases, people will be altered and will be informed about danger. What should Cologne be protected against this phenomenon? The answer of this question consists of three reasons. Number one, as you know, Cologne is located along the river Rhine. Number three, this city experienced some severe flooding in its history. For example, in the 1993 and 1995. According to findings, this city is supposed to more floods, maybe more intensive and more frequent because of climate change. And the last reason is that urbanization and development of Cologne city. Impermeable surfaces such as asphalt and concrete prevent rainfall from seeping into ground, and instead it direct to drainage capacity. It can cause flood, as I told you, urban flood in the Cologne city. What measures have been taken in the Cologne against flood? A lot of measures have been taken in the Cologne, such as installation of flood walls and building levees, collaboration with neighboring communities, and early warning system, and the last one, improvement of drainage system.